Let me show you step-by-step guide on how to create your website with HTML/CSS in 10 minutes. Just in 10 minutes, you will know how to create your website by yourself. So stay tuned as we go. So what you need to create a website is with your laptop or your phone. Let me just say your browser, and get in a text editor like VS Code, Notepad++, any text editor, and let's get started. So at the end of this video, you will know how to create website by yourself. So if you want to learn how to create website, you want to know more about ad building and web development, please subscribe to this channel, Linus Digital. Like, comment and share. Please always like, comment and share. This will push this video or push any of my videos to more people, more audience to see, so we all can learn and grow together. And let us go to the classroom. Let's go.
First of all, click your text editor, then you create a file. This is how to create a file. Then HTML file. Then you write your file title. It can be anything you want to create, but for the sake of this video, I wrote Linus Digital website tutorial. Okay, yeah. Create, then we started. So the site will give you this prompt. Then because of this video, I already typed my code down so that the video will not be long. So I just paste the code. So we are creating a salon, a salon website, a hair salon website. You can see I wrote Linus hair salon. So I just want to show you something. So I will change the Linus hair salon to Linus Digital hair salon. So this is how I edit the code. Call for booking. Yeah. Okay, then you click play. So you see the website. It's just one page site for your website. So we go back to your browser or Chrome, then you can see the site is live. Linus Digital hairstyle. This is how to create your website with HTML in 10 minutes. It's not up to 10 minutes though. Yeah, this is how to create website.
Hello guys, what are you guys still waiting for? Contact Linus Digital for your websites and your mobile app. If you need a website for your brand, whatever brand you have or any brand, Linus Digital is ready to serve you better. With our intelligent expertise, we can handle whatever idea you have and bring it back to life. This website you are seeing and the mobile app, we created it ourselves. This is one of our clients in Lagos. At Linus Digital, we give you the best and quality that you can ever find in Nigeria. Reach out to us today and you will be glad you did.